been driving, your car body's wet, you can just hose the thing off and leave it to dry and it'll look okay. But if you didn't think of this before, a quick wipe down with kitchen towel actually works really well on polycarbonate. It'll leave the body looking shiny again. If you let it dry and you get water droplets on it, it just won't have that same shine, and it's easiest to do when it's wet before it's even been allowed to dry once. Looking good. Don't forget the inside. I know that seems obvious, but I hadn't thought of it before at some point, and once I started doing it, everything just goes back to looking showroom fresh. The other thing to do is to pull the tires off. If they've gotten wet and they sound like this, yeah, one of these is wetter than the others. If they've got a wet sound to them, you want to pull them apart completely because foams do actually deteriorate. I didn't do it religiously, and on the front of my Bronco, you might remember seeing the tires really squish flat. The foam in there is probably dead, so I've got replacements coming for that. Wheels are off, and there's one other thing to do. If you have access to an air compressor, you can get them cheaply. I've got one in my car. Just blasting off the air through it is not a bad idea. And if you've been in mud, and you have a brushed motor in particular, running hose water through it and just rotating the wheels before you pull the wheels off, that can just help clear it of any debris, because you don't want those brushes getting ground out because you'll lose efficiency and wear the brushes out way quicker. It's a good idea even for a cheap motor. Dry everything afterwards. If you've actually been submarining, which is never good for any car really, but you can also get away with it, especially with something like the Traxxas models. It doesn't hurt to pull the axles apart and re-grease. So part of my prep for water running is the Penrite Moly grease. It's a very inert grease, so just black grease, lithium grease. Has really good lubrication properties, and it doesn't wash away at all easily. It's easy to work with, safe, doesn't smell bad. I like to cake my bearings in it too when they go in, if the rig's going to get wet. This is a big tub. It cost, I don't know, 15 bucks some time ago, and I'm barely through it. Anyway, there you go.